It is time for some Game Boy testing on the Game Boy Pi. What the heck? Welcome to the Wicked Gamer Rank Collector. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to try the Game Boy on the Game Boy Pi. So yeah, let's play some Game Boy games on the Game Boy Pi. Let's go! Alright, first game, Adventureland. Yeah, of course. So that was cool. Used to, got a problem. Oh man. Oh man. Playing this game, man, it's awesome. I love Kirby. And playing this old Game Boy game on the Game Boy Pi, it looks amazing. It plays just fine. I had so many good memories of this game. And I love the soundtrack, by the way. Do 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 do. So people, for the final conclusion about the Game Boy Pi, or better said the Game Boy games on the Game Boy Pi, I really love it because now we can play these old games with an LCD screen. And yeah, it works just fine. So that concludes a little bit of this extended testing. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. See you next time. Bye bye.